Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by specifying exact prerequisites, number of users, real-time needs, and reporting frequency so design decisions follow. Once done, pick your technology stack, web app plus mobile sync is common, and provision a relational database for consistency. Next, implement authentication with SSO or OAuth 2 and set role-based access for admins versus teachers. Make sure to create a minimal data model now. Users, sessions, attendance records, timestamps. This first concrete schema lets you build endpoints and UI components immediately. You now build the core, design simple RESTful APIs for marking, fetching, and editing attendance, including pagination and filters. Then create a compact UI that lets teachers mark presence in 3 taps and search students quickly. Once that's working, implement sync logic. Add offline queuing, timestamped records, and a conflict resolution policy so late edits reconcile predictably. Make sure to add validations and unit tests. These prevent data drift and give confidence during integration and load testing. You finish by automating deploy, containerize services, add size/CD, and automate DB migrations so releases stay smooth. Once deployed, instrument monitoring, error alerts, usage analytics, and daily backups to spot problems early. Then roll out to a pilot group, collect feedback, and iterate UI and sync rules. If something breaks, check time zone mismatches and duplicate record ID first. These are the common causes of incorrect attendance. Finally, refine permissions and train users so the system runs reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.